If you've decided it's time to sell, but you're not sure what to do to add those final steps in getting your home ready, then this video is just for you. Ask yourself these questions to gauge how close you really are to us sticking that for sale sign in your yard. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's 4 questions to answer either yes or no. First of all, are your walls, doors, and trim all clean and have been painted in the last several years? Bonus points if the walls are neutral shades, so they're a clean palette of decor for the next buyer. Second, is your home free of clutter and knick-knacks? Translation, it's clean and crisp when people step in the door, so they can see the features of your home, not the things in your home. Third, the beige systems like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, roof, and foundation, are those all in good condition? And the minor issues that needed attention have been taken care of. Lastly, is your outdoor living space clean, swept, free of cobwebs, leaves, and any insects that are just looking like they might want to creep inside? If not, you can knock this part out in just a few hours or even a weekend. Now, if you've answered yes to most of these statements, you're in a great place. We look forward to talking with you about the full process in selling your house and how to add those final touches to make sure the value you receive for your home is the highest that it can potentially be in the shortest amount of time. Give us a call today.